Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Novavax Inc, and this is the long-term chart or the monthly chart of this particular company. And if you can look at this chart, what you will see here is a very range-bound trend, overall trend I would say. And if a trend is range-bound, it will give you much more predictability than an uptrending or a downtrending chart. Obviously, range-bound means there are some limitations, but there are some levels which you can predict, and the probability of or for the stock to move along as per your forecasting will be very high when compared to other stocks. Now let me simply tell you how the trend looks like. So I think this is the most of it, and if you want you can add one or two more important support levels over here. So this is the level which you can add here, and I think one more level will be somewhere like this. Okay, so these are the levels which one need to taken care of. Now understand that the stock never moved above $306. Last time it moved, it was in 2001 and then in 2015. So we are not going to move above $306 for the time being. Even we are not going to think about it. So the long term target or the big target for this stock will be $306. The one bad thing about this chart is the lows. These are called lower lows. Okay, so in technical parlance these are called lower lows, which are not good, because you can see your upside is restricted but your downside has been opening up, and it's been over a period of time. As you can see, the second low is greater than the first low, the third low is greater than the second low, and the fourth will be greater than the third one. So if this trend continues, you will see the stock will move higher but with a great volatility, the which means the stability will be in question. Okay, so currently if you are looking at this trend, you will see that your first support will come at $78, below which you will have your next support at $47. Now after 47 you will directly have your next support at $11, followed by, I would say, here we have $3.73 on the downside. Now you need to understand that we are looking at a monthly chart, and these movements are very big. Okay, because if the stock falls from $129 to a level of $78, then it will be a big crash, and those who have recently taken position, they will be in deep losses. But you need to understand that currently the stock is at its resistance, which is in between 151 and $167. Okay, so if the stock sustain above $167, then only the stock could move to 300 or $306 on the upside. So the current range for this stock is in between $78 on the downside and 151 and 167 range on the upside. So either you should wait for the stock to make a breakout at least above $168, so that you can be sure that it should not go below, and it will definitely, the probability of moving higher towards 306 is higher when the stock sustain above 168. So when the stock sustain above 168, the probability of moving toward 306 is much more higher. Now in the current scenario, what one can do, if somebody has already taken position, one should be mindful of the fact that the stock must not go below $78, although they will be in loss. But if the stock again go below $78, then the next support will come at $47. So one should understand that there can be some volatility or short-term corrections, but it should not go below $78. That's the first thing. Otherwise the lower term support are as follows, as I have mentioned here. And the current range is the range of consolidation or a range of trading. So this can move, the stock may move in between 78 and 150 or 167 for the time being. And once the stock sustain above 168, then we will have a target of 306. But we are not going to think beyond 306 for the time being, because it hasn't happened in the last 25 years. So 306 will become the biggest target for this particular stock, and let's see how it will move. But understand that there are support and resistance level. And moreover, if you want to think about this rally, think like this, that the stock has already moved 4000% from its lows. So if the stock correct till 47, okay, even till 47, it won't be a big concern. But these are not applicable for everybody. So those who have taken positions at $3 or $10, they will be fine. But those who have taken positions after 40, 47 or $50, they will be in problem. So understand these facts and understand where your support and resistance lies, and wait for the stock. If you don't have any positions yet, then wait for the stock to cross and sustain over 168. Then you can get a probability of 300, 306, which is much higher, rather than taking your positions now. And if the stock again slip back to $78, then it will be a problem. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.